this is the sign for share. Okay, we're going to use both hands and the hand shape is the same. Here we go. That's it. So you have an open hand, tighten them up, and just leave the thumbs hanging out there. Okay, so I'm right-handed. I'm going to start with my non-dominant hand, this one, and put this one right here. Okay, so the palm's facing in, and we have that hand shape, okay? Now with the other one, same hand shape, we're going to use this part, the bottom of the hand, and we're going to go 1, 2. All right, so we're making contact. We're just going to come in and out. So we're making contact with the ridge part, bottom part, 1, 2. So together that is share. From the side, share. From the other side, share. From the front again, share. Okay, let's do it 3 times. Sign with me. Let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Here we go. Share. 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 Okay, once again, these are the hand shapes right here. One down here, palm facing in. The other one, we're going to use this part, and we're going to rub on the top, the ridge of the hand that's down there. Okay, share. Share. All right, we just talked about the sign for share. Here is the sign for take. Well, that's about as straightforward as it gets, right? So just use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Now pretend something's out there. You grab it and you take it. From the side. From the other side. Okay, so the hand's open at the beginning, pull it in, and make a fist. Like you grab something. Take. Okay, let's do it 3 times. Starting from the rest position, sign with me. Here we go. Take. 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 Okay, just use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Stretch it out there a bit. Open, loose hand. Grab something imaginary and pull it in. So we have take. Okay, we just talked about how to sign take.